it's wet. We decided to try a rainy Disney day. We've done rainy Disney days before, but it's been a while. It's been a good like maybe 4 years since I've done like this rainy of a Disney day. So
I'm so scared my umbrella's gonna break. It's much windier than I thought it was.
I know.
It keeps just tipping everywhere.
So let's see how this goes.
I'm praying.
Ah! Also, there's all these cute Valentine's Day decorations. Let's see. He's in that corner, hiding from the rain. And then Pluto's over there, shaded from the rain. This is Haley's rain getup. Present. All these like party Tsum Tsums are so cute. Oh, wait. Okay, show the Chippendale ones.
Oh yeah.
They're so cute.
Got a little.
Oh my gosh. It's
I think
precious.
this guy
a little
has a
key.
key.
I don't know why he has a key, but very cute. So we're gonna do the Valentine's surprise. Is that what it's called? Mini's Valentine's Day surprise. And so they're like little hints, and then you have to go around the park and find like what character it is, because on the back you have all the stickers, and then you put this right sticker with on here, and then when you're done you come back where you bought it and then you redeem it and you get a little prize at the end. So let's go do this. Called the Disney Showcase. That's where you get the maps. It's very rainy, but there's actually quite a bit of people walking down Main Street right now. A lot of people are brave today. Okay, so the hint was find me while you're window shopping on Main Street, and then you find the sticker that corresponds with the Valentine, and this one is a Valentine to Mickey. So at the Candy Palace is another Valentine, because people are blocking it. It's Pluto, so we'll put the sticker for Pluto on also. So either we're really bad at this, or it's a lot harder than like the Easter egg
We have
one.
done like 2 Easter egg ones before, and it's so much easier. But I mean,
Yeah.
Easter eggs like they're huge.
They're bigger.
And they're kind of unmissable.
Yeah.
Is that a word? It is now.
Unmissable? Yeah, no.
But we can't find like 2 of them so far.
Yeah, we can't find one of the ones in Frontierland, and then we're in New Orleans Square right now looking for the Tiana one we were assuming, and we can't find it. And the thing is, they're kind of smaller, like you saw in the pictures,
Yeah.
and they're in windows.
So far,
all of
3
them have been in
we found,
windows.
Yeah.
So it's like we've been looking at the windows, but maybe they're not all in windows, and that's why we can't find the other ones. So we'll see. I will show you once we find this one, because we will find it. I'm not going to give up because I'm very stubborn. So
I'll give up.
I'm not going to give up. So you're going to be doing this all day long.
We're not going home until we find everyone.
These ducks are so cute. Love is in the air. All the ducks are all paired up right now. Like all the ducks we see, there's a girl duck and a boy duck. Couple goals. Well, this one is the Critter Country one, and we found it, and we still haven't found the other Frontierland one and the New Orleans Square one.
Yeah,
but it's at this little hat store right here, Burr Patch. So we will put the sticker on for good old Tigger. We're just so good at finding things, right, Haley?
Yeah.
So Haley, being the I Spy and finding champion that she is, spotted one that we had been missing. It's this one, and it's over at Ranchers Apollo. That's why I was thrown off, because I'm like, Frontierland. I don't always think of this as Frontierland,
Also, what did it say?
but I guess it is.
Something about shooting. So we thought it was by the shooting, which this is kind of next to it. But
It is, yeah, it's next to it. So I did put the
there
wrong
we go.
one. This one should have been the one where the Jessie one was.
It's okay. You put the Jessie one?
Yeah, I
They're
did.
both an E, so it doesn't mess it up totally.
Yeah, well, whatever. We found it. We're good. Yeah, I found another one. A Figaro one. And that one was the hint. Where was it? Oh, there we go. Let's share the enchantment at Fantasy Fair. And that's Figaro. There's some dancing going on.
Goodness, this is a very intense dance, too.
That's crazy. That's really cool.
Full on a hip hop class.
We are now in Tomorrowland, and it looks like there's about 3 different Valentines to find here. So let's go see. Here's the Pizza Planet one. I can never remember what this place is called now because I'm so used to calling it Pizza Port. But there he is. Haha! Found another one. Found Stitch. And we found the last one, which was in Tomorrowland, which I don't know if this is technically Tomorrowland still or if it's Fantasyland now, but yes. Cute little Nemo got a Valentine from Minnie. So the hint for Fantasyland is find me near the biggest smile in Fantasyland. There's Alice's Valentine. Alright, let's put Alice on her little Valentine.
No, it's not perfect.
No!
No, I
no,
messed it
Haley,
up.
come on.
Okay. And just pretend like it's on there.
Nice. So we basically have one more left. We never found Tiana, which sucks, but I gave up. And I said I wasn't going to give up, but I gave up.
I mean, we can always head back and look.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's very small. So here's Toad's Valentine by Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, which was across from the carousel, like the hint said.
Right.
Okay, so we have all the stickers on, and it says, "Love the magic." Very cute. And then, once you finish it, or before, honestly, you go and get a stamp, and then you can redeem your prize. And then I will show you the prize right now. So then you redeem the map, and then you get this little carton of 6 Valentine's surprise cards. I'll open it and show you. And then these are the Valentines that you got. It's like some of the ones that you found, and then they all have a little space where you can write who it's to and who it's from. Very cute. Probably not going to use these because they're adorable. Too adorable to give to anyone else. I'm so selfish. I need to keep them.
Just cover him up with a little.
We found a bee, and he was out here before, and we put him on that leaf and stuck him underneath here so he can be shielded from the rain. But now we found another bee,
That's gonna do anything.
and I don't know if that one's alive. Oh no, its little antenna's just moved. I don't know, bee life. So we're trying to save all the bees because they shouldn't get wet, I don't think.
And I'm a little bit scared that they're gonna get angry, so.
I don't think they'll get angry.
I don't know how to scoop that guy up. Poor bee. I'm trying to move this stuff. Bee, come on my rescue leave. He's like moving away. He's like, I don't talk to strangers.